Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics. Make sure your BSNL SIM is active and has a valid data pack or balance, because without service you can't get an IP. Next, set the APN to BSNL net. This tells your phone which gateway to use. Once done, place the SIM in the primary slot for LTE and enable mobile data. Restarting the device forces the phone to fetch network settings and register with BSNL. This often resolves initial provisioning issues. Now you handle the more detailed configuration that fixes stubborn connections. If auto APN fails, manually enter APN BSNL net and set APN type to default, SUPL, MMS so data and assistance services work. This is important because phones sometimes strip types. Then choose network mode. Use LTE/3G/2G automatic, but switch to LTE only to force 4G if registration is flaky. Once configured, renew the IP by toggling airplane mode or using the network reset to clear stale sessions and prompt fresh authentication. Finish by verifying service. Watch for BSNL on the status bar, check signal strength, and load a lightweight web page to confirm data flow. If performance is poor, update carrier settings or your phone OS because compatibility fixes often arrive via updates. If problems persist, reinsert the SIM or test it in a different phone to isolate device versus SIM issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if registration fails repeatedly, contact BSNL support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.